virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject is Maths of Standard 3rd and name of the topic is Addition by Carrying Over. This is part 2. Dear children, we have already completed part 1 of this topic, isn't it? We have solved so many examples on these sums, that is addition by carrying over, that too in vertical arrangement, means one number below the other number, isn't it? Children, now we will take a quick recap of the last part, that is part number 1, and then we will proceed to part 2. Addition by carrying over. You can see here a sum, isn't it? And this is a table, units place, tens place, hundreds place. And number is given here. Okay, we will begin our addition. Now, you know that we begin our addition always from right hand side, that is from unit place, isn't it? Okay, we will start. 8 plus 6. How much? 8 plus 6 is 14, isn't it? I will write here 14. But you know that here not to write two numbers in one column. Means under unit place we can't write two digits. So first we will take here 14 and again we will see the place values of these numbers. See this? Here 4 is in the unit place and 1 is in tens place, isn't it? So we will keep 4 here only in the units column and we will take this 1 to the tens column. That is called carried over to the tens column. You know this is tens place, isn't it? Now we will add these 3 tens, that is 110 plus 610. Together make 7 tens plus 9 tens, that is 16 tens, isn't it? So I will write 6 and 1 again here, that is 16 tens. In 16 tens, what is that? Here 6 tens and 100. Am I right? See here 6 it is tens and 1 it is 100. So 1 we will take to hundreds place. It is carried over to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3. How much? 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 3, that is 900. Correct? So we will read the answer here, 964. Okay, this is about the addition by carrying over method. That too in vertical arrangement, means this number is above and this 396 is below this number. So this is called as vertical arrangement. See one more sum. We will begin. 8 plus 3. It is 11, isn't it? 1 we will write here. 1 is carried over to tens place. Correct? Then in tens place, 110 plus 810, that is 910. 910 plus 710, that is 16 tens. So 6 we will write here. 1 will move to hundreds place. Okay. that is carried over to hundreds place. So 100 plus 900, that is 1000, isn't it? So the answer is 1061, otherwise 1061. Here two more sums are there. Yes, this is add vertically. Here it is given. So first we will write places, units place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. Now we will write 270, then plus 196 plus 58. Correct? Now 8 we will write in unit place and 5 we will write in tens place. We will not write any number in hundreds place. Okay, because here 2-digit number is there. Right? Okay, we will here plus. Now we will begin our addition. 6 plus 8 is 14, isn't it? 4 we will write here and 1 is carried over to tens place. Now 110 plus 710, that is 810. 810 plus 910, 1710 plus 510, that is 22 tens. So I will write 2 here and left side 2 is carried over to hundreds place. Correct? Now we will add these three, that is 200 plus 200 plus 100, that is 500, isn't it? So the answer is 524. Got this? We will move to the next one here. This is very easy, right? 370 plus 195. Okay, here 5. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 we will write here. 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 500. Correct? That is in the hundreds column. So the answer is 565. Right? Yes, this is for you. You have to solve this. Make the column like this, write the place values and write these numbers in vertical position, one below the other. Okay, and solve the sums. Now we will move to horizontal arrangement. Now add horizontally. Horizontal means in skipping position. See, you can see in single line they are. Two numbers are in a line. We have to add these numbers like this only. Okay, here also you know this is a 3-digit number and this is also a 3-digit number, isn't it? Now you know this is in unit place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. Same thing here also. Then what we will do? We will add the numbers from the unit place. Then we will add from the tens place. Then we will go to add the numbers from the hundreds place. Got this? We will start. Okay. First we will add the numbers from the unit place. See this 8 and 1 are in unit place. So we will add them. 8 plus 1. How much? 9. Okay, 9 we will write here. In the unit place only we have to write. Okay, to the extreme right. Now this over. Now we will move to tens place. 3 and 4 are there. Correct? So 3 plus 4. How much? 7. So we will write 7 here in the tens place. Then we will move to hundreds place. 2 and 8 are there in hundreds place, isn't it? Now we will add these two numbers, that is 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So we will write 10 here. Our sum is over. Got this? One more we will try. Okay, here also three numbers are there in 3-digit numbers are there. Okay, two 3-digit numbers. We will solve this. First one unit place, that is 2 is there and 6 is there. Correct? Here 2 plus 6. How much? 8. So to the extreme right we will write 8. Now 8 and 5, they are in tens place. So we will add them. How much? 13. So what to do now? We can't write two numbers here in the tens place. Yes, very good. Now we will write 3 in the tens place, and this one, you know, this is 100, isn't it? So we will carry over here. We take this here under hundreds place. Now what we will do? Here in the hundreds place 6 is there and 7 is there. We will add 1 to them. See, like this. Okay, 6 plus 7 plus 1. All the three numbers we are going to add. What we got? 14. Correct? So 14 we will write here. Because no more numbers to the left side. So we are writing 14 here. Okay? Add in horizontal arrangement. See, here I will not use the arrow marks. Okay. Now 5 plus 8, because they are in unit place. 5 plus 8, how much? 13. Isn't it? 3 will here. We will write 3 here and 1 is carried over to tens place. Now in the tens place, what all is there? 1 plus 4 plus 3. That is 8. Got? Now in the hundreds place, 8 plus 4. That is 12. Got this? Okay, one more I will take. Now in the unit place, 8 plus 6. How much? 14. Good. 4 we will write here. Okay. And 1 is carried over to tens place. Now in the tens place, what all is there? 1 plus 7 plus 0. That is 8. Now in the hundreds place, 6 plus 4. That is 10. Isn't it? I hope you understood the addition by horizontal arrangement. Take a different one. Now here what is there? 899. This is a 3-digit number plus single digit number. How we will add now? Here this is unit place, hundreds place, tens place and hundreds place. What about this one? Single digit means it is in unit place. For this, first we will add 9 plus 1, that is 10, isn't it? So what we will do? We will write 0 here, correct, in the unit place, and 1 is carried over to tens place. I will not show this. Okay, you have to remember this. Now 9 plus 1 is how much? Again 10. So this 0 will come here. And again 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Now what is there in hundreds place? 8 is there and this plus 1. Correct? So the answer is 9. So here 900. Got this? Now you have to remember the number which is carried over. One more we will try. Take this. 999 plus 1. Here unit place 9 and 1 are there. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here. Okay. And 1 is carried over. Remember this. Don't forget this. 9 plus 1. 1 is there here. 9 plus 1 again 10. So again 0 we will write. And 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Now 9 plus 1. That is 10. Our answer is 1000. Got this? Good. Now dear children, we will move to word problems. I hope that you are thorough with the addition by carrying over. Means when it becomes more than 9. Means then what we do? 1 we will take as a carried over. Correct? Like that. Here also we will go through the same method, but the sum is given as a word problem. It uses some sentence and it explains a sum. Then we have to read that sum and we have to understand, and afterwards we have to solve them. Okay? Our first sum is this. First we will read this sum peacefully. Okay? Here Raj has 255 marbles and Sham has 248 marbles. How many marbles did they have all together? This is our sum. Now dear children, we will try to understand this sum. See, Raj and Sham, 2 children are there and they are having some marbles. Right? Now we have to find out how many marbles both of them have together. Correct? Now means we have to add these marbles. Right? Then we will get the total number of marbles. Isn't it? Okay. Now we will go for the now method. Here we will prepare a table. Now we will write unit place, tens place and hundreds place. You know how to write the numbers in vertical arrangement. These are Raj's marbles and under that we will write 248, that is Sham's marbles. Correct? Now we will add these two numbers. Now 5 plus 8 is 13, isn't it? That is 3 here. 1 is carried over to tens place. Now in the tens place, 5 plus 4 plus 1, that is again 10. So 0 we will write here and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Then 200 plus 200 plus 100, that is 500. Isn't it? 503. These are total marbles. Correct? Now we have to write answer like this. Answer, they have 503 marbles. Got this? They means here Raj and Sham. Both together have 503 marbles. Got this, children? Second sum. 985 girls and 531 boys took part in an art competition. How many students took part in the competition altogether? We will try to understand. See, children, in the school there was an art competition. Means here you can say drawing competition. Okay. And how many girls participated? 985 girls and 531 boys participated in drawing competition. The question asked is, totally how many students participated in the drawing competition? Again, we will follow addition, isn't it? Now we will prepare our table. We will write the places and we will write the number, that is 985 plus 531. 985 girls are there and 531 boys are there. Correct? Boys. Now total how many students? Here we will do. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. Isn't it? 1 here. 1 is carried over. Then 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Isn't it? So 1 5, 1500, 1 10 and 6 units. Means that is total students. How to write answer now? Like this. Total students participated in art competition were 1516. Got this? Okay. We will move to next sum. There are 830 books in the library. You know about library, isn't it? Library means we get different types of books over there. Right? Okay. We bought 87 more books for the library. Okay, earlier there were 830 books. 87 books means they are new books. Correct? Now what to find out now? How many books are there in the library now? So we are going to add these two numbers, isn't it? Okay. Now we will make table first. Now we will write places. Now we will write number, that is 830 first. Books in the library, right? And how many more new books we bought? That is 87. So we will write 87 here. New books, correct? Now we will add these two numbers. In the unit place, 0 plus 7, that is 7. In the tens place, 3 plus 8, that is 11. So we will write 1 in the tens place and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. That we have to remember. Correct? Now 8 plus 1 is 9. Got this? Means how to write the answer here? Yes. The library has 917 books now. Okay? You can use this sentence, the last sentence, for writing the answer. Here, one more type is there. Use the given information to prepare a word problem of addition and solve it. Dear children, here they are giving some information. A small information they give us. We have to frame the problem. We have to frame the word problem of addition. Okay, addition means here we have to ask total, or we have to use all together. Okay, or we have to use what is the sum of the numbers. Like these words we have to we must have to use for the addition. Okay, here information is given, that is cost of a dress rupees 485. Cost of a shirt rupees 499. Yes, this a man or a woman, they are in the shop, they selected one dress and one shirt. The cost is given here. Now we have to make a word problem by this information. Okay, we will try here. We will use simple sentences to make a word problem. See here, the cost of a dress is rupees 485. It is given, right? And the cost of a shirt is rupees 499. It is also given. Now what to find out? What is the total amount? Yes, here total means addition. We have to add these two numbers. Got this? Like this you have to make simple word problem by using the given information. Now we will solve this. Yes, you know this. I will write 485. This is cost of the dress, correct? Plus 499. Cost of the shirt, right? Now we are going to add these two numbers. 5 plus 9 in the unit place, that is 14, correct? 4 we will write here. 1 is carried over. You have to remember this. Okay, then here 8 plus 9 plus 1, that is 18. So 8 is written here. Again 1 is carried over. 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 4, that is 9, correct? So 984 is our total cost or total amount, right? How to write the answer here? Like this, answer total amount is rupees 984. Got this? You have to make simple word problem by using the given information. Okay? You have to use the word that belongs to addition, that tells us about the addition, and you have to solve it. Children, this is for you. This is homework. The homework is on page number 54 of your maths textbook. Okay? Try to solve these sums. Okay? And practice them. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.